In this video, I'll show you how to analyze market trends using JungleScout, the go-to tool for anyone serious about launching or scaling an Amazon business. If you're new to JungleScout, you're in the right place because today I'll walk you through its powerful features and how you can use them to find profitable products and understand market trends like a pro. Now you can get started with JungleScout for free through the exclusive link below, plus some bonus features that you won't find anywhere else. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can access a longer free trial of JungleScout. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do when analyzing market trends with JungleScout is to explore the product database. This tool allows you to filter through millions of Amazon products to find what's trending right now. You can filter based on a variety of parameters, including sales volume, reviews, price, and more. This way, you're not wasting time manually browsing thousands of listings. With these filters, you're able to zone in on the most promising products that fit your business goals and market demands. Next, JungleScout's Opportunity Finder is a game changer. It helps you spot high-demand products with low competition. Using Opportunity Finder, you can look at a category and see which products are ripe for entry. This feature breaks down the market landscape, showing you the potential profitability of different product niches, and helps you avoid areas that are overcrowded or oversaturated. If you've been struggling to figure out where to focus your efforts, this tool will give you clarity on where your product could stand out. A key part of analyzing market trends is understanding the historical sales data. JungleScout's Sales Analytics tool provides you with this insight. It tracks sales performance over time, giving you a look at seasonal trends and any patterns that could impact your product's success. For instance, if you see that a product has steady growth year-round with spikes during the holiday season, you can plan your inventory and marketing strategies accordingly. You can also use JungleScout's Keyword Scout to analyze which search terms people are using to find products in your niche. This helps you identify trending keywords and optimize your listings to boost visibility. By knowing the exact terms that are driving traffic on Amazon, you can tailor your SEO strategy to match the current market demand, ensuring you're always ahead of your competition. One of the most valuable things you can do with JungleScout is track competitors. The software offers a tool called the Competitor Tracker, which gives you real-time updates on your competitors, sales data, products, and inventory levels. This feature helps you understand where you stand in relation to the competition and identify gaps in the market that you could fill. Finally, to really see how your product will perform, JungleScout's Product Tracker lets you keep tabs on specific products and track their progress over time. It's a great way to see how market trends are impacting a specific product or niche, especially as you scale. By monitoring performance trends, you can adjust your strategy in real time to maximize your chances of success. Remember, you can try JungleScout free using the exclusive link below, and if you stick with me until the end, I'll tell you how to get an extended free trial, so you can dive deeper into these market trend features without any pressure. By using these tools, you'll be equipped with everything you need to analyze market trends effectively and make smarter, data-driven decisions. JungleScout is a one-stop shop for understanding product trends, competition, and keywords, all of which are key to successfully navigating the Amazon marketplace. So, if you're serious about scaling your Amazon business and staying on top of the latest market trends, be sure to check out the link below to access JungleScout with exclusive bonuses and a longer free trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your market analysis game.